Hello guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can use Nhung Capcut template. So without further ado, let's begin. To start, open your favorite web browser and then search for Tahir Rocks Capcut template. It will then direct you to these following options, but we will going to focus in the first option. Just tap on that. It will then direct you to this website where you can download or use the template for free. Now just scroll down until we see the Nhung Capcut template. Just scroll down and then you'll see Use this template. Just tap on that. For example, when you tap on this template, it will then direct you to this page where you can see the Capcut template link. You just need to tap on that and then it will then direct you to the Capcut app where you can use the Capcut template. So now just tap on Use Template in Capcut. Now what we're going to do is to select 3 images that we want to use. Just tap on Use Template and then select images. And then tap on the check icon. Now play the video to see what it looks like. And that's it! I hope this video helped you out. If you have questions or suggestions regarding this video, just comment down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.